Hey, Court. So, me, Jane, I'm going to be shooting that with my air tank right there. I'll show you what I'm shooting. Alright, I'm shooting these, the 22 LRs. That's a 22 pellet. A 357 pellet. It's a little bit of a size difference. I'm going to be shooting that box there. See if I can get a sight picture. Oh man, this is hard. Okay, that box is what I'm shooting. And it's got these. Let me show you the magazines. There's some rotary magazines. So you just pop them in. Right. I'm gonna about to start shooting. I can cycle this thing a lot faster if I'm not holding a rifle. I mean a phone and a rifle. Last one in the magazine. Fishing through my keys for the other magazine, and I've got it. That was my last shot. I'm not positive. Oh no, I got one more. Right. Now what this tank lets me do is my pressure gauge. It's right at about 2,000 psi. So I'm gonna take this air tank, get all the snow off of it. Yay, snow. I'm going to... I can't have it just plugged in yet because I don't have a regulator. So that's connected like that. And then I put the phone down because this part is, okay, a little bit dangerous. I fill the rifle back up using the bleeder valve. Gotta reload the magazines. I'm gonna I don't know if the target's even visible. Alright. Reloading the magazines. Sorry, dude. Reloading magazines isn't the best. Right. Now, it is time to refill again. It's not focusing. Of course it's not. Focus. It's not focusing. It's getting close. Or maybe I'm just tethered now. So, I'm gonna keep an eye on. Will it focus? It won't. I'm right at the pressure limit. This has got to be the worst freaking video ever. I would show you reloading the magazines, but it is a two-handed procedure. Got one mag loaded. And now the gun is, just for the record, I'll show you what the gun is like. Oh shit, I just dropped the bullet. Out of the mag too. Alright, so I'm still, see how the gun's still plugged in to the tank. I'm gonna leave it like that. So that's the pressure. This will probably be my last round of mags, so you can kind of just see how